Hello students, today's learning point is two-dimensional drawings of three-dimensional objects from chapter number 13, three-dimensional objects and nets, standard 5th, subject mathematics. At first we study the concept of three-dimensional objects and two-dimensional objects. First let us study concept of three-dimensional objects. Three-dimensional objects. The objects whose length, width and height can be seen, felt or measured are three-dimensional objects. For example, books, glasses, bricks, tables, etc. If we consider an example of brick, for brick we can measure length, width and height. So, these are the examples of three-dimensional objects. Now let us study about two-dimensional objects. Objects which have only length and breadth and no thickness or negligible thickness can be called two-dimensional objects. For example, sheets of paper, pictures on paper and shadows, etc. Actually, objects are three-dimensional. Their pictures on paper are two-dimensional. That is why some pictures seem flat, but some pictures are drawn in such a way that we can sense the depth or thickness of the objects. Three-dimensional objects appear different when seen from the front, from the side and from above. Let us study this with some examples. See here the diagrams, three-dimensional diagrams of some objects are given here and block structure is also given here. These three-dimensional objects have different views if we see them from the front, from one side, from above. First example, elephant. The front view of the elephant is like this. The view from one side is like this and the view from above is like this. So, from the front, from one side, from above, the views of elephant are different. See here, next example, cupboard. The front view of the cupboard is like this. The view from one side is like this and view from above is like this. So, front view, side view and from above view, the views are different. Here, the structure of blocks is given. This is the three-dimensional structure. The two-dimensional views of this structure are here. The front view is like this. The view from one side is like this and the view from the above is like this. So, two-dimensional views of this three-dimensional block structure is different. Now, let us study about hill diagram. Looking at the hill, in the distance we can see how tall and broad they are, but we cannot tell how much area they occupy on the ground. From above in a helicopter one see how much area they occupy on land, but from there we cannot see how high they are. Therefore, to show the area over which a hill is spread and also how high it is in its different parts, two figures are drawn. See here the two figures for hill diagram. In this first figure, we see hills as from a distance. The lines show their approximate heights as 200 meter, 400 meter, 600 meter and 800 meter. In this second diagram, we see the extent of land the hill occupies as seen from above. The curved lines show their different heights in different parts. For example, the curved line of 800 meter shows the height of 800 meter. In geography, such diagrams are used to show mountains on maps. Thank you.